Hey Fly Babies, it's me, your FlyLady Kat, and I'm here today to give you peace in your life, control in your home, and to help you learn how to finally love yourself. Today is Tuesday, and it is a 2-layer cake because it is your free day. So today we do not do any zone or project work. Today we don't really have a basic weekly plan item because that is free day, so it's a planned day. Now if you decide not to take it today and you take it another day, that's fine. Just listen to another day. Go back and listen to another day that fits your purpose. But remember that it is not a default day. It's not oh, I already messed this day up, I'll just call it a free day. That's not rewarding. That's not what I'm looking for you, okay? All right, so we're gonna get up in the morning and do our morning routine, put our children through their morning routine. If you're staying home, you're gonna run laundry and go through an inch of paper. If you're going to work, you're gonna go to work, delegate that weekly home blessing hour item. When you get home, you're going to inspect what you expect, put on your dinner, get your laundry going, go through an inch of paper. Okay, at home Fly Babies, you're going to do your dinner, and then everybody's going to meet afterwards. Don't forget 3 clutter checks, 1 in the morning, 1 in the afternoon, and then you're going to do 1 after dinner, okay, before bed. All right, so after dinner routine, everyone jumps in and helps out doing the after dinner routine together. It is a fun time. You're in the midst of it. You are not delegating and walking away from this. You do not want the children to feel like they are slaves, but you are also not a slave. We are doing this together as a team, okay? So the sum of the parts is not greater than the whole. What is that? It means that when everyone works together as a team, it's a whole lot easier. When each person is working individually, it's not easy. So even if you all did 5 different things in the kitchen, but you did yours first and left, and then another one in there and did his, and another one went there and did theirs, it's not fun and it's not synergistic. So all together now, okay? All right, then after dinner, we're gonna do another clutter check and then the before bed routine. Don't forget to check your planner twice a day. Don't make sure that you have your meals in your planner, that you know what day it is in your planner as far as weekly home blessing hour, free day, car and purse day, desk and planning day, whatever, in your planner and what zone we're in, okay? Again, we're in zone 5 this week, but you're not doing anything in zone 5 today because it is your free day. All right, that's it for today. I hope you have a fabulous free day, and I want you to always remember that you, yes, you, are truly beautiful.